This is a main power unit. Now you want to connect this 3-phase current to a 3-pin one. So you can come, you can see, and you can connect. So now turn on the MCB. After the turn, the machine will be on. So now you want to connect fudging and organ pipes to a welding machine. So by using a T-joint, I'm changing one organ cylinder into two separate, one for fudging and one for organ in. So I am giving this PU pipe, connecting this PU pipe for organ in. You can see I am connecting this white one for the organ in. Here, organ in, I am connecting. Now I am connecting second one, this second one for fudging in. I am connecting this for fudging in. For fudging in. Now connect for fudging out. Along with one machine, you will get in a toolbox. In a toolbox, you will get a short pipe like this. Now you can connect this for fudging out. You can connect this extra pipe for fudging out. It means fudging out. It means you are giving one for fudging in and one for fudging in, one more for organ in, and you are giving fudging out using a small pipe. Using a small pipe, you are giving one fudging out. Now for the 8, you want to connect this 8 to this welding machine. So by in the 8, you are getting this many cables. You are getting this many cables. Now you want to connect this all to the welding machine. I will show in a clear how to connect this all. This will be a organ out. First you want to connect this organ out pipe. You can connect for the organ out, and you can connect -1 for negative. This is for -1. You can connect, you can see there is a slot hole. You can connect this slot to this one. Here it is connected, and now you can connect this red one to this one. It will be a slot matching. You can match this slot and you can rotate. It will be tight. Now you can connect 5-pin and 7-pin cables. Now connecting, you can see while connecting there will be a slot one. You can connect this to this and you can make it tight. Now connect same way for this, and you can make tight. Now we are having remaining only 2 for water in and water out. Now you can connect this water in and out with the water cooling system. So now you can connect. Now by pressing this, you can remove this one. And you can connect here, and you can connect here. Now water also, all the connection from the 8 to the welding machine and for the water cooling system is completed. You can see once by the 8 you will get black one means minus and argon out and plus and 6-pin socket and 8-pin socket and water in and water out. Now turn on the machine, welding machine by step process. Come to the back of the welding machine and turn on the MCB. Turn on the MCB, back side of the welding machine. After turning the power on, go to the front side and turn on the power here. Then a display will come here. After some time it will be loaded. At that time you can turn on the water cooling system also by pressing here. It will be turn on. Now you can press and hold it, the start button for 3 seconds. Then water flow will be started. You can see by ear. Now make a touch on the screen. Then it will come like this. Now first thing you can set the gas. Now put the welding machine in a test mode. Then you can while it was in the set mode, then you want to check the purge, argon gas and the purge gas. By clicking on the gas check, if you click and hold the gas check, there will be a raising in the bar. So now you can check how it was. It want to be argon want to be 12 to 15 and purging want to be a 3 to 5. So by pressing the gas check, you can press and hold and you can set there. You can set for 12 to 15. Oh, gas fault also. Now gas check is completed. If you press here, it will be at only 12 to 15. That indication to be at 12 to 15. Now in the same way, you can set the purge gas also. To check the purge gas, you want to turn the set mode into a run mode. By pressing the run, you can check the purge gas. Now the purge is on. Now you can increase or decrease the purge gas also. The purge gas want to be a 3 to 5. You can see here it will be only 3 to 5. After that, you can check by your hand also, by ear, in the head. By your feel, you can adjust the gas flow also. The maximum is only 5. Now the purge is on and you can check while starting the machine. You can check the gas flow. It will be 12 to 5 there. And now you want to put the welding machine into the weld mode. Turning on the weld mode, you can check the memory location. So while it was in the set mode, put on the set mode, put on next. Then you want to set parameter. While it was in the auto mode, press on next. You can select our head size is CA25. Press on CA25, then press on next. Then our tube size is 12.7. Click on 12.7. Then our tube thickness is 0.8. Put on 0.8. Press on 0.8. Then now it is in auto mode. It is showing A, means it's auto mode. Now you can start the welding by putting the set into a run. Now I am starting the welding machine. The memory location is 73. Now I am checking a trial on a tube. Now I want to on the welding machine, welding. So the memory location is 250 and tube dia is. Before starting the welding, you can check the screen. So our tube dia is 12.7 and thickness of a tube is 0.80 and memory location is 250. Now you can press on next. You can set parameter. You can put on the manual to a auto mode. Then press on next. Then you can select CA25. Then press on next and 12.7 and thickness is 0.8. Now completed. Now you can start the welding machine by putting this set into a run mode. Now I put in a run and purge gas is on and I'm giving purge out to a tube and I'm putting our welding tube in the head. So you can adjust this gold color one rotatory gear to the up and forward by using the head here. So by putting forward or reverse, you can adjust the that gear. So if you put on the reverse, press on the reverse, it will go reverse. అదే వచ్చిన వీడియో షార్ట్ వీడియో తీసి అరే మళ్ళీ పోయినా ఆ బటన్ పనిచేస్తలేదా ఇది పనిచేస్తుంది ఇవతల పనిచేస్తుంది ఇట్లా క్రాస్ కట్ చేసారు ఇప్పుడు ఒకటి కరెంట్ ఒకటి ఇట్లా